How to configure shipping settings and methods in Magento Commerce. This tutorial will show you how to configure shipping settings and methods in Magento Commerce and assumes you're already logged into Magento. Go to System and click Configuration. Scroll down to the Sales options. Click Shipping Settings. Set the region or state of origin. Enter the zip code. Enter the city. Click Save Config. The configuration has been saved. Scroll down to the Sales options. Click Shipping Methods. Click the arrow next to the set of options you would like to configure. You can edit options such as the price of flat rate shipping. Click the arrow again to close this set of options. You can also set up free shipping. Enable the shipping method. You can enter a minimum order here. Collapse this set of options. It is also possible to set up shipping with UPS, USPS, FedEx, or DHL. Expand the options. Enable the method. When you are finished with the settings, click Save Config. The configuration has been saved. Repeat this process to set up other shipping methods. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to set up shipping settings and methods in Magento Commerce.